Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make ebooks and digital products with Canva and ChatGPT make money online with AI. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go and log into your ChatGPT. Now you can copy the prompt that I'm going to show you right now. You can also write a 10-page ebook on time management for remote workers. Create a 5-day digital journey for gratitude and reflection. So all you have to do is select the correct prompt, and then ChatGPT will show you the sample outline for your ebook. Now, once you have it, then what you're going to do next is go to your Canva or create a Canva account. So you have to make sure also that you know the dimension or correct size for an ebook. So you can go to any web browser and then search for the correct size. Then go to Canva, go to custom size, and then copy the size for ebook here, which is this one for the inch. This is general size. Create the design, and then here you can now start creating your ebook. So it depends on your topic. You can go to design, look for the specific keyword. For example, let's just say time management, something like that. Now, there are tons of designs here. All you have to do is drag it over here to this page. So let's just say I'm going to use this one. I just have to drag. Now, copy the word titles that I have generated from ChatGPT. So I can now go back to ChatGPT and then paste the title right here. And also you can add elements, you can add objects, everything is up to you. Okay, so let's just say this is the first page. You can edit this one. You can add, remove elements. You think that elements or these elements are unnecessary, you can remove, you can adjust, and then you can add another page right here and then look for another design and then just paste, copy and paste what you have generated from ChatGPT. So don't worry, these elements are for free. You can create an account on Canva for free, but you can only use the basic version and the basic features that you can use here on the unpaid version. So once you have created your ebook here on your Canva, then the next thing to do here is you need to download this. So you can tap on the share button at the top right corner and make sure that this one is on PDF version. Now tap on the download here again. Go to Gumroad, create an account. Now on the left side, you should look for the product, tap on new product here, enter the title, tap on ebook, and then add the price right here, tap on next. Now add some information. You can add cover, thumbnail, description, and so on. After that, you can now publish this one right here and then wait for the people to purchase your product. And basically, that's how easy it is to make ebooks and digital products with Canva and ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.